Hello there, I am Gavin. So, I'm gonna tell you what you needed for the circus Canva for fun. A ribbon crafting. So first, you need some crafting things like scissors, colored pencils, or anything you need like school. You need also a sharpener and an eraser to erase. And for the paper, no need because we already have paper here. But if you want to bring, okay. So, I know you're watching this, mga moms is... You promised yesterday pupunta kayo po eh. So, I'm gonna, there's gonna be an event now. Since, kasi tagal po. So, okay. So, hindi Unicraft na po. Ribbons craft na po. At, maganda na po yung place natin po. Kasi may craft na gawin ko po. And then, maganda lahat natin dito sa ribbon craft. Even though it's okay po mag-absent, but not everyday po kasi maybe if you're too sick, they're also able. And then, sometimes my parents can help you po. Can help with your son and daughter, yung mga classmates ko. So, ito po yung mag-create natin sa circus Canva for fun! First, we can make ganito po. So, ito po yung first. And then, I forgot po that you have to bring snacks at food para sa, ribbon craft. It's okay po. And we can also make some comics po. And we can read. And then, may mag-sticker book tayo po. Kasi yung hunt ng, circus Canva for fun, may mga hunt po. At like sa Jollibee Crew po, may sticker book natin. Ito po. Ito po yung mga sticker book. Maganda po. At ito po yung sa akin.